Hi there. So I was given a Zara cap by a client and she said it is too big. I didn't make it. She bought it from someone else. So I decided to check it out on my mannequin head to see how it is. Yeah, it is really big. Okay, so first of all, we have to disconnect the rolls behind. I thought it was sewn, but it wasn't sewn. You know, I would sew mine. So it was a glue, so I just pulled it out with all my strength. Took some time, but it finally pulled out. The next thing I did, I turned it inside out and measured out 10 inches, making the circumference of the Zara cap 20 inches. So I'm going to be sewing at that 10-inch point right now, and I used running stitches. I did running stitches from up down and did it back downwards. You can use a sewing machine if your sewing machine can do that. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so as I was doing, I checked it and I saw it was okay. So the next thing I did was to use my scissors and I chopped off the essence. The sewing is looking really lovely. Okay, now it's time to attach the rolls. Remember, I do not use glue, so what I did was to sew it to the back like so. Keep watching and learning. Okay, that's done. Let's try it on our mannequin head. Yeah, it fits properly the way it ought to fit on the head. So if you want to watch another hack, tip and tricks, please do click on this playlist and get